today's yoga class, we are going to go stargazing. So we're going to go somewhere that's high altitude and a little bit cold. Are you ready? Okay. And when we go stargazing today, we are going to be on a mountain and we're going to see lots of stars, and we'll see the moon, and we'll see some constellations. And the constellations that we'll see is we'll see a dragon in the sky, and we're also going to see a bear in the sky. Are you ready? Okay, so let's all come up to stand in mountain pose. So standing at the front of your yoga mat, let's tap our right leg, lift it up and put it down. Very good. Tap your left leg, lift it up and put it down. And feel your strong mountain legs and feel your strong mountain shoulders. Touch your ears, touch the top of your head. That's like the peak of the mountain rising up. And stretch your arms high up to the sky. We're going to take a big breath in. Big breath out, bring your hands down. And we're going to look up to the sky. And when we look up to the sky, we notice all sorts of stars. So you are going to turn to face the side of your yoga mat. And we're going to step out into star pose. And remind me, how many points are on a star? 5 points. So one leg is 1, your other leg is 2, your head is 3, your arm is 4, and your other arm is 5. Very good. And I want you to imagine that as you look at the stars, you begin to notice them and how they sparkle or shine. Can you wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes? And can you take a big breath in? Big breath out. Very good. Relax your hands down. And also we notice in the sky a big moon, and the moon is a crescent shape tonight. So we're going to step back to the front of our mat, and we're going to do moon pose next. So you need to put your hands on your hips, and you are going to step your right leg. So tap your right leg. You are going to step your right leg back. And once you step your right leg back, I want you to bend your left knee right over your ankle, and you're going to come onto the ball of your back foot. That's it. And making that with your back, making that crescent-like shape, you're going to reach your arms up. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Very good. Bring your hands back down. And we're going to step back to mountain, and we're going to try that moon pose on the other side. So what foot is forward now? The right foot, and the left foot steps back. Very good. And remember, that back heel lifts, and then you bend your front knee. Very good. And here we go. Stretch your arms up like a big crescent moon. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Very good. And then we're going to step back to mountain pose. Look up to the sky. Next, we're going to see 2 different constellations. The first one that we are going to see is a dragon. So to do the dragon, we need to come onto our hands and our knees. And just like moon pose, this is a 2-sided pose. So you are going to take your right foot out to the side of your mat, and then you are going to slide your right foot up so that your knee is bent. Make sure that your back toe is tucked under, and then you're going to bring your hand onto your thigh, and we're going to stretch our other arms up. And dragons breathe what? Fire. So let's imagine that we're breathing fire. Take a big breath in. Awesome. Bring your hands down. You're going to take your right leg back out. And now we're going to do our left side. Very good job. Stretch your left leg out. Bring it forward. Bend your knee. Back toes are tucked. Bring your hand to the top of your thigh. And we're going to come up. That's it. Dragon on the left side. Reach your arms up. Take a big breath in. Very good. Bring your hand down, bring your leg out, and come back to table pose. Very good. Cross your legs and look up. The next constellation that we see is a bear, and it's a big, sleeping bear, like a bear that hibernates during the winter. So we're going to use our breath, called bear breath, to make ourselves calm and sleepy, like that sleepy bear we see in the sky. Are you ready? Bring your hands onto your knees, sit up tall in your body. We're going to breathe in for a count of 3 and out for a count of 3. Are you ready? Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and then breathe out. 3, 2, 1. Very good. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. You feel yourself getting calmer and sleepier. One more time. Breathe in. Breathe out. Now that we've calmed your body, I'm going to invite you to lie down on your back. And once you're lying down on your back, you can look up towards the sky, or you can allow your eyes to close. I am going to share a visualization. Imagine that you're watching the silvery moon and starlight sparkle and dance across the sky. As you're watching, you notice there is one star that seems to stand out. This star is definitely twinkling at you. You smile at it. It sends a light beam down directly toward you. Let the light touch you and fill up your whole body with a loving glow. Breathe in, letting the starlight fill your whole entire body with warmth, wonder, and possibility. You think nothing about the star. It grows brighter as you focus on it. You also grow brighter. Then suddenly, the star begins to move across the sky. You follow it at first with just your eyes. Then it shines a light beam away from you. Take a moment to see what the light is shining on. Perhaps it's a place you would like to go. Perhaps it's a message you would like to read, or possibly a gift you would like to have. Go now and discover, what is your guiding star leading you to? This guiding star is yours. Each time you notice it in the sky, it will lead you to a special place, or to a discovery, or to answer anything you've been seeking. Whatever it is, remember it's just for you. It's almost time to return now. So send a big smile and thank you to your guiding star. And then very gently begin to wiggle your toes and wiggle your fingers. And you're going to stretch your body. So maybe like how you wake up out of bed. Stretch through your legs, your arms, a big, big, big stretch. And then you're going to roll over onto your side. Whichever side you want to roll over onto your side. And then you're going to come all the way back up to seated and crisscross legs. Very good. Sitting up in your mat, bring your hands onto your knees. Very good. And we're going to complete our time together with our sunshine arms ocean breath. Let your hands come to the side of your body. Take a big breath in. Big breath out. Very good.